Hello everyone, welcome to Academic Access. Get a daily dose of 10 questions in 2 minutes. Waterfalls in India. Which is the highest waterfalls in India? Kunchikal Falls. The Kunchikal Falls is in Shimoga district of Karnataka. Which waterfalls is called as the Spa of South India? Kutralam. Kutralam is situated at the Western Ghats in Tenkasi district. Which place is called as the City of Waterfalls in India? Ranchi. It is the capital of Jharkhand. Which waterfalls is known as the Sea of Milk? Dudhsagar Falls. It is formed by the Mandovi River and it forms the border between Goa and Karnataka. Which is the tallest plunge waterfall in India? Nokkolikai Falls. It is located in Meghalaya. Which is the widest waterfall in India? Chitrakoot Falls. It is also known as the Niagara Falls in India. Which waterfall is known as the Rat Tail Falls? Talayar Falls. It is located in the Palani Hills of Theni district. Which is the three-tiered waterfall located in the Pune district of Maharashtra? Pune Falls. Where is Athirapilli Falls located? Kerala. It is the largest waterfall in Kerala. Which waterfall is called as the Seven Sisters waterfall in India? Nohasanjitian Falls. It is a seven-segmented waterfall of Meghalaya. And now it's time for question of the day. Where is Jog Falls located? Leave your answer in the comment section below. If you like my videos and want to let me know, please hit the like button. And I will be posting videos daily to the best of my ability. So subscribe and also leave a comment if you have any topics for me to post. Thank you for watching.